Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to create a ghost offer in Kajabi. Now a ghost offer is simply an offer that doesn't have a product or course attached to it. So in a lot of cases a ghost offer is perfect if you're selling an ebook or a certain product or a certain service that's not attached to your regular products or courses. This way you don't have to have a separate e-commerce solution outside of Kajabi. So to get started, you'll want to make sure that you click on products and you'll see all products and offers. Just click on offers. And you're going to want to add a new offer. Click this button right here. Add a title to your offer, so like my ebook. And then down here is normally where you're going to attach it to a product, but we're not going to do that in this case. So we're going to click off that and we're going to leave that blank. And we're going to add our cost or our price in here that we're selling it for. I'm going to put $29.99 and I'm going to click save. Now once we do that, it's going to bring us to the product details for our ebook. And in here you can add a description for your ebook. You can edit the price, add your product image or your offer image, when people can, access this. Sending an email reminder if you want to, if somebody abandons their cart, you can edit that here. You can add an automation here if you'd like. When the offer is purchased, then you can either grant an offer, send them an email, which is what I would do, is send an automated email to them, which gives them access to a download to the ebook. You can do that in here. You can use a custom email template where you might want to add all the information. Then you're going to want to come in here to your edit checkout. And in here is where you're going to fill in all of your offer details, just like you would have with a regular product or a course. So when you click on that, you can change your title, you can enable and disable the banner, add a banner image, add a video, add an offer image, and change all your associated text and so on. And when you're done and you've saved it, you can get your link, click on copy, and you can attach that to a button or a link anywhere in your Kajabi site. Add it to your emails or whatnot. But you can also, when you go to add a button into Kajabi, into your Kajabi page, you can link that to an offer. It'll, bring up the offers that you have available and you can link it directly. So it's super, super handy. But that's all there is to doing a ghost offer in Kajabi. I hope this really helps. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I will see you again soon.